Introducing the 2024 Volkswagen Golf R 2.0 TSI 320 horsepower 4Motion DSG. This stunning estate in white comes with only 6,000 kilometres on the clock and is packed with top-of-the-line features for your comfort and safety. From ambient lighting and satellite navigation to collision avoidance, braking and lane departure warning, this car has it all. With interior amenities like cup holders and luxury trim, as well as security features such as multiple airbags and trailer stability program, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, the sport exhaust pipe and spoiler give this Golf R a sleek and stylish look. Rest assured that this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out. Call us or visit mullingarautos.ie for more information today.